Welcome to Samurai Dairy, a name that embodies discipline and focus at producing most healthy, uncontaminated and pristine quality milk. The idea behind Samurai Dairy has been to have the healthiest and happiest cows in parallel with the most efficient infrastructure in order to procure the healthiest and wholesome milk. Mr. Hiro Ogura loved the idea. We brought in the investment and technological expertise from Japan.
India is one of the biggest producer and consumer of milk and its related products in the world. Yet, quality and reliability of those products, it is not world standard yet. We would like to continuously and constantly produce healthier and high quality products that let Indian people healthier and less occasion to visit hospital.
To get this vision on ground, we inquired the land in Panvel, which is in Haryana state and located on the Delhi-Agra National Highway NH2, with just 60 km from Delhi. And being on a national highway, it is well connected to multiple big cities of various states. It was a big task at hand to convert this land into a high-tech dairy farm. But the passion and vision drove the way. The infrastructure was built on a goal to create a home for cattle where they can rest and stay healthy. Also to keep everything automated, from milking cows to packing. It took 1.5 years of intensive research to get to this point and 9 months to build it on ground.
With over 100 years of experiences as our backbone, Samurai, with collaboration of Ikaruga Milk Product of Japan, can ensure you that you can always have healthier and high quality product for your daily life.
We at Samurai Dairy are planning to conduct the quality checkups at 4 points: at the farm level, before processing, after processing and before delivery, and we want to make sure that we provide the utmost quality to our end customer.
The cows are of HF breed, which is a very healthy cow and is capable of producing very high quality milk. At Samurai, we have our own farms where we harvest feed for cows. This ensures that the cows get the uncontaminated, best quality homemade food. Several minerals are added to the feed to provide them with a balanced diet. For the comfort and hygiene of cows, there are brushes which are automatic. They start as soon as cows approach them. We have fan sprinklers and diggers to keep cow in ambient temperature. We have an in-house team of qualified and experienced vets. They ensure that the cows are healthy and happy. We have taken extra special measures to keep the cow healthy. There are tags with each cow that records their health, age and milk yield. It records their movements and gentle behavior, thus facilitating us to observe and take immediate action on slightest of poor health indications or concerns. We isolate the animal till it is of full health. We ensure that the milk we procure is from the most healthy cow.
We have international technology for milking the cow, which allow us to milk without any human interaction. From milking till the packaging state, we make sure that milk does not come into the contact with the outside bacteria and it is free from any sort of contamination. Samurai is a model plant with state-of-the-art facility in which we will be providing milk and dairy products which are free from hormones, antibiotic and any sort of adulteration.
We must make benefit for all three sides: our suppliers, our customers, and our society.
At Samurai Farm, we guarantee that the milk is 100% pure, untouched by hands. No hormones, no antibiotic.